Hello friends, this is a pick a card reading and today's question is based on the divine timing. That at divine timing, what is coming towards you? I shuffle a lot, then I get this card that is the Wheel of Fortune, that is talking about the luck, your money area, and at divine timing, what's coming towards you, right? At right timing, what you attract right now for the right timing, right? So that sort of a pick a card of reading this is. And let me show you the options. So first option, you have this bracelet, and the second option, you have this bracelet. So choose any one bracelet. This is option number 1, this is option number 2. So let me begin with the first option. If you choose this one, then let me start with the first pile. For my beautiful pile number 1, what Wheel of Fortune want to express or tell about your divine timing? What you attract? What's coming towards you at your divine timing? Hermit card. So this is the divine process that you gain a lot of wisdom. At divine timing, what you gain is the lot of inner wisdom and the knowledge. You become the member of the spiritual path. You definitely have to go through on this divine spiritual journey, and this is like divine timing is like bring that moment in your life when you have to isolate yourself, when you have to work upon yourself, your inner work, not about the outer work. It is like a soul work, inner work, meditation and all, right? So at divine, this is like meant to be happening in your life. Next card, we have 3 of Swords. And why you go into this stage after the painful pain that you are getting from somewhere, you become isolate yourself, right? And that is the time period when you do some soul searching. After the pain, this moment meant to be happen in your life. Sorry, light is gone. Let me see if we... Okay friends, so where we were. So here is 2 cards that we already taken for you. So that means you have to follow this path. That's why this is all going to be happening in your life. So let me take more cards. Okay, so we have a 8 of Pentacles that is hidden behind the Knight of Swords. So you do want to talk about a new ideas or whatever you are working upon, and I am getting that whatever the working you are doing, that is related to your spiritual journey. You are doing, maybe you are involved in some sort of a spiritual career when you providing your helping hand to others, but you are doing some sort of a hard work in your spiritual, that is related to your spiritual path or your soul purpose, what is like divinely guided career for you. So you are putting your hard work in your spiritual journey. So whatever work you are doing, that is also beneficial for you in your spiritual path. That is also a part of that hard work, is also part of that particular thing. And you do want a communication related to your work environment, because Knight of Swords representing that you eagerly do want to talk, you eagerly do want a conversation related to your work area, related to your spirituality, right? So something related to communication, that you are eagerly do want to know something more, to know more through because you want to ask some questions, whatever the questions that is lingering in your mind, you do want the answers, maybe from your old partner who whoever give you the pain. You want some answers related to that, so that you move on your spiritual path. But you want some sort of answers or question, whatever the questions lingering in your mind, you want to answer. That kind of a eagerly communication you do seeking at divine timing whenever you coming into this stage. So this is like a divine timing that is meant to be happen. Let me take more cards, that how this journey will goes. So let's see the future. After following this path, after following what is meant to be happen in your divine journey at your divine timing, what is meant to be happen, this leads to what the output, what the final future of this journey, and what you gain at the last. Oh my god, Ace of Swords. So at the last you gain new beginning for sure. This is beautiful card. So whatever you are start from a pain, then you follow the spiritual path, then you work upon your talent, skills, whatever your divine purpose, and then you eagerly move forward in your life. You seek answers of some question, then you, after getting the answers, you rush fast, you move fast in your spiritual journey, in your career life, in your whatever you want, where you put a lot of hard work, then you gain definitely a new beginning. You are like, your life is like this to this stage meant to be happen, so that you become your future, your final stage, your final outcome is like new beginning, and that is full of clarity. If you are not getting the clarity in your initial stage of your life, that what you want to do, then at final stage you get all the answers. This is again symbolizing a lot of positive thoughts, communication, truth, clarity. So there is a new beginning in your life that is full of clarity. You gain the clarity about your spiritual career, your spiritual path. So this is your destiny. This is the divine timing that meant to be happen in your life, right? So let me take some angel guidance. Bottom of the deck, let me see, page of cups. And after getting this sort of a new beginning, when you totally get what you want, then few new offers come into your life. A lot of offers, definitely. Maybe they are just a page. So this is page, that's why I'm getting this is new offers, not from your past, but some new offers coming your way. This is the opportunity, maybe in your career, maybe in your love life, but you get some sort of opportunities, beginning of something new again. So let me see some divine angels messages related to your divine timing. What angels do want to tell you, or maybe they want to give you some hint or clarity or warning related to this journey. Angels, if there is some sort of any hint or knowledge related to their path. So first we have storm warning. Oh my god, the word, I shuffle a lot, friends. The word just I say, storm warning. Some sort of a warning for you related to storm, which give you excess amount of dissatisfaction in your life. That is the stage when you feel you have nothing in your life. But if you strongly deal with that situation, then you definitely proceed to this beautiful new beginning. You have to have a faith in the God and the divine timing. So this is, see how it is resonating, my words. Storm warning. I hope you see it. So let me take any more, any angels advice for my beautiful viewers related to their paths, related to their journey, that may help you in some sort of a way. So we have a envy. Maybe your friends or your near and dear ones, someone is envy upon you. So this is the also advice from my side. So take decision from your own mind and the heart. Don't listen others free advice, right? What you believe, just follow that thing. What your inner guts, what your inner intuition guiding you, just follow that thing instead of other people. Walking away, you definitely walking away from the pain. whatever the difficult phase you are in, you may thought that never passed away, but by the help of divine and your angels and your divine path, you are easily walking away from this period which is like painful. So have faith. So let me take one last advice and then wrap it up. One advice for my beautiful viewers: I trust that my gut is the truth. Oh my god, oh my god. So I just what a moment before I tell you that believe on your inner intuition, believe on your inner gut, right? Inner intuition. So here is the advice. This is just randomly pop out for you. I trust that my gut is the truth. What your inner self telling you, just trust that thing. Underneath the surface of my fears, underneath the surface of fears, what your intuition do want to guide you, just listen that thing, right? So this is the beautiful reading for my beautiful viewers. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Let me move on to my beautiful viewers pile number 2. So if you choose this one, so let's see. Let me shuffle the cards. Okay. So pile number 2, at divine timing, what's coming towards you? What is okay? So we have a beautiful cards, 2 of cups and the Empress. 2 of cards representing this is the divine timing. At divine timing, you definitely meet your soulmate, and you and your partner become the Empress. One person from both of you is like a Empress who is very much strong personality, who is very creative. This person know their self-worth, very confident, very nurturing, very creative person, multi-talented person. You may call your soulmate. So what I am getting, at divine timing, divine bring a soulmate in your life with whom you share your love of cup, and who is in a beautiful energy, who is very beautiful, who is very charming, and who is like an empress, who fulfill you emotionally, who provide you the loyalty, stability in your life. So this is the perfect person. This person know their self-worth. This person is spiritual. This person know how to use their spiritual power. This is very wise person, very wise personality, right? So this is like a beautiful creator, creative energy, a lot of nurturing energy, like a mother kind of a also a qualities this person has, nurturing and kind, very wise. So at divine timing, a beautiful soulmate coming your way, and that is like a new beginning in your life. You have a lot of clarity. This person brings a lot of clarity in your life. Anything else universe do want to tell about your divine timing, about your luck, about your money area, or if anything about career? So let's see. Pile number 2, Temperance. When this person arrive in your life, you learn to balance your emotion. This person meant to be come in your life because this person is very much balanced, and this person is like bringing that balance in your life. This person is very much in their higher vibration. This is the person who already work a lot on their soul, right? This is enlightened person who also pop out in your life to bring that balance, so that you learn to become more patiently behave. How, like this person, you learn patience, you learn to balance your emotions, stability. So this person bring that in your life. Temperance, stability. So let's see, at divine timing, this is meant to be happen in your life. So let's see. Okay, so you have a lots of card, that is like a 9 of wands, 5 of cups, 2 of Pentacles. So this person, what I am getting, this person popping out in your life when you feel very sad, when you are fighting a lot with the difficulties, with your difficult phase of your life, when you are sad, when you are regretting upon the old things, when you are juggling, when you are confused, when you don't know what to do, at that time this person comes in your life. I am getting that sense that when you are totally confused, don't know what to do, not able to make a balance in your life, so this person bring the balance in your life, because you need someone's help. This person is like an angel. This person is like a mother figure. They care about you like that, so that you feel balanced again. So this is like when you feel sad and this is the divine timing, then divine send this person in your life so that you feel happy, right? So you are definitely dealing with a lot of hustle in your life, so at that time this person do come pop out in your life. So anything else information related to your divine timing? Justice. So there is some sort of a crossroads in your life. You confused before, but when this person pop out in your life, you are become able to choose the right path. You learn to become more balanced, and you then able to do the justice. Then you gain the power and good hold on your emotions. You are balanced, and then you do the justice, the right thing, and then you are basically able to choose the right path for yourself. Then you make a decision. When you are emotionally balanced, when you are balanced from the inside, then you choose the right path. So let me wrap it up. That's enough for today. So final outcome, after going through all this journey, at the last what you get, so your future or whatever the outcome, oh my god, beautiful outcome, 10 of Pentacles. At the last you gain each and everything, because you have enough financial area. So what divine timing, what luck brings in your life is this stability, financial stability. You have a good partner with you, so at the last you get each and everything. Complete harmony, peace in your life, a complete financial gains, enough financial gains you gain, plus good in your love life. You have a beautiful husband, wife, right? So you gain each and everything. So that is a very beautiful outcome. And bottom of the deck, we have the Strength card. Plus, you also gain enough courage, enough strength to tame your own inner demons. The demons that before you are not able to make a particular decision, you are confused, but now after arriving this person in your life, you become balanced. You love the justice, you love the right thing, and then you don't afraid to do the right thing in your life. You tame your inner beast, that is the instability or confusion state before that you have. You overcome your inner whatever the issues you have, right? So let me see any angels guidance or warnings or whatever for your this journey. Any divine angels message for my beautiful pile number 2. Okay, so let's do it fast. So first card you have door to spirit. So you definitely, your spirits help you. You have the potential. If you ask certain question from the divine, from your spirit guides, then they help you, maybe in the form of numerology or something, through some sort of a science. So if you see some sort of a science, that then that is like a red flags for you. So this is like door to spirit. Spirit guides, your spirit guides already helping you in this journey. Let me take, okay, that's too many cards. Just one more message. Just one more message. Too many cards. Sorry for background noise. Strategy, but you have to make some sort of a strategy to gain such level of stability in your life. And maybe you also maintain or do, or maybe you are kind of a person who always strategize before doing anything, right? So that is like a strategy. You have to make up plans before. One card is more flip out, that is the sun card. Then if you make a strategy in your life, then you definitely get the sun, that is the ultimate happiness, that is the this state of abundance, right? So definitely I'm happy for pile number 2, because this is like a complete abundance that you get. One last angels guidance, one last message for my beautiful pile number 2. Okay, you have, I share my light with the world. So if you gain this sort of a light, abundance, financial gains, a beautiful love life, then you have to share your happiness, your wealth with the world. You achieve this state so that you also provide your helping hands to the others. At the end, don't forget about that. This is the advice for you. So if you like it, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.